Select the one word or phrase that needs to be used in place of the underlined text to make the sentence correct, or indicate that the underlined text is not in error. The area provides a constant supply of crystal clear chalk spring water in which the cress grows, containing essential minerals such as calcium, which is required by the plant. Before taking a look at our choices, let's see if we can find a problem with our underlined phrase. The key issue is if the commas around the phrase, such as calcium, are necessary. Setting off the phrase with commas on both sides indicates that the phrase is non-essential. That is, it adds detail to the sentence, but it isn't necessary and can be removed and the sentence will still make sense. Putting this theory to the test, we can see that if removed, the sentence would read, "The area provides a constant supply of crystal clear chalk spring water in which the cress grows, containing essential minerals which is required by the plant." When put like this, we can see a mistake. Minerals is a plural noun, while is a singular verb. In order for this sentence to be correct, we need to write containing essential minerals which are required by the plant. This being the case, we can see that it wouldn't be appropriate to treat such as calcium as a non-essential phrase, and it shouldn't be set off by commas on both sides. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices to see what alternatives they offer. B. Minerals such as calcium, which. This choice removes the first comma but keeps the second, thereby treating the phrase such as calcium as essential to the sentence. It only sets off the following clause, which is required by the plant. That relative clause is actually non-essential. It adds detail, but we'd still have a full sentence without it. As this version keeps the meaning clear and the grammar correct, this is likely our answer, but let's take a look at our remaining choices just to be sure. C. Minerals, such as calcium, which. This choice includes the comma before such as and removes the comma before which. This creates two problems. It incorrectly sets off such as calcium as non-essential, and then tries to attach the non-essential clause directly after it with no separation. As there are two issues with this phrase, we can mark this choice off. And D. Minerals such as calcium, which. This choice removes both commas, but without the comma before which, we no longer have a clear break between the essential phrase and the non-essential phrase. Which is required by the plant ends up looking like a defining clause when it shouldn't be, leading to confusion. This being the case, we can mark this choice off and mark our original answer, choice B, as our final answer.